Good evening folks, it's getting a bit dark but I'm hoping you can still see this alright. Well, I've just come in and I'm amazed at what's been happening on the germination, so I just thought I'd share. Well, remember in this tray here we had some lupins and they got eaten by the snails. Well, we've had another one come through and there's one or two more coming through there, so that's good. So that means we're going to get some there. And here we've got some rutabaga, and then we can see just here we've got one. We've got signs of some more coming through down there, so that's promising. We've got the blue dahlias are growing nicely, that's these here. And over here we've got some pom-pom dahlias. Now, see, look, we've got 8, 9, 10, 11, we've got 13 in there, so, you know, we can't grumble, can we? And look down here folks, we've got the cactus dahlia mixed, and you can see with those I just sprinkled the seed, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we've got 11 in there, so we're doing well. And here, these are Dahlia pinnata, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and just look at those, they're looking like nice healthy plants. And over here, these are all the poppy, the giant kunara. Look at those, they're growing nicely. Nothing in there yet, they were cosmos, they were done on the 7th. And if we come up here, we've got some marigolds, orange ones. There's one there, one come through. I can't see much else happening at the minute. And then over here, Cosmos Sensation, we've only got one come through. Oh, but I can see a few signs. Yeah, there's another one. So we have got a few more coming. Oh, and there's one. There's one there. Or has that been eaten? That's been eaten. And over here, we've got these are Dahlia showpiece. These grow to 4 feet high. And we've got one come through so far. So, and I can see one or two just popping, so that looks promising. Nothing happening on the Dahlia tubers that I could see, but I'll have a closer inspection another time. So then if we move over here, as I say, it's getting rather dark. I can't really see much happening over there, but look down here, these are the Bishop's Children dahlias, and if you look in there we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There's about 25 popping through there. That's good. The Cosmos have now got their second leaves. So when these just grow a little bit longer, I'll get these transplanted into individual pots. They'll go into these pots here. These are 9 centimetre squashed pots, and I usually do these for one of the neighbours and cousins and a friend, Catherine. And look down here folks, we've got some zinnia giant cactus at the back there. That's those two, and then over there, oh, that's more giant cactus. I can see 2 in there as well. We've got some pom-pom dahlias in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 what I can see so far. And over here we've got some hang on a minute, what are these? Oh, these were my seeds what I took out the plants from last year, and there's 2 through there. And we move across here, we've got lupins folks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 I think. And the same in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's great, that's brilliant. So there you are folks, so it's all underway now, and I'm well chuffed. There's not a lot which I've really got going this year, but you know, to be honest with you, I think it's enough under the circumstances, and I think I might just concentrate on the dahlias this year. And And also in the garden I've sprinkled a lot of annuals and perennial seeds, so I think this year's going to be about looking at the surprise flowers what appear in the garden. I have to think about, I'm hoping the marigolds are going to come through, because I'm going to need those on the front tubs and troughs, I think. So I really am hoping for those, and I might just sow some more just to make sure. Maybe even sow some and put them in the conservatory to give them a bit of a boost. I will go through all my seeds again and see what if there is anything else what I've missed, but I don't think I'm going to end up with sowing as many as I wanted to, but who knows, things can change. We'll see what happens, but I've going to have a lot of dahlias, that's for sure. That's it then, folks. I've nattered on enough. I spoke an hour live. In case you're watching this, I do a live video most nights, 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock. That's UK time. And we talk about different things, you know, what I put up on my channel. You know, everything from my art, my gardening, my art, my interest in nature and wildlife, and all sorts of things, to be honest. So we usually have about, well, tonight we had 30 people in it, so asking me questions, so it's quite a busy night. Anyway, that's it then, folks. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.